ex-girlfriend. Is that correct?
I was responding to the issues that were raised. You raised the issues which I was responding to.
Yes. You said that this dispute before this select committee is because of love or between yourself and the ex-girlfriend. Is that correct?
I said in the context, in the manner in which the motion is brought before the House.
Yeah.
And the challenges that I'm facing here, or the accusations, have serious bearing to that relationship.
Yes. Now, please just stop looking at the book. You have complained about allegations of forgery of documents. You have complained about against the media, Kenyan media. You have complained about fake academic papers and etc. and all sorts of things. Now, just to remind you again, this Bachelor of Laws degree that you said, the matter was challenged in court. Is that also?
That's your creation. I have not seen all what you have sent. That's your creation.
Yeah.
I have not seen.
Was there any problem or dispute about your Bachelor of Laws degree?
There is no problem.
There has never been one at all.
I don't know of any problem
because
the issue that was raised was determined by the court.
What issue was raised about the Bachelor of Laws degree?
The issue was I was admitted to do a Master's of Law, and in my thought my law degree was not correct. That's what was the issue, and I was suspended from the university for my master's class, and then the matter was discussed and settled in a judgment that was delivered by Justice Odinga.
By Justice?
Odinga.
What did Justice Odinga say?
In fact, they directed Nairobi University to readmit me and complete my master's degree.
Did you complete your master's degree?
I did not, because remember...
Anyway, let us leave that and move on to something else. Yeah, now you have complained about a lot of things about love, forgery, documents, being a protester, venereal diseases, and etc. Now, you speak Swahili. Do you know the Swahili language? Do you know the Swahili language? Can you speak Swahili?
I speak Swahili,
but
I would choose to speak English.
No, I'm saying you know the Swahili language. I want to put to you something in Kiswahili. You know the Swahili language, don't you?
If I'm able to respond in Kiswahili, I will. But if I do not, then I will opt to give an answer once it is sent.
There is a Swahili saying, ambako kuna moshi kuna moto. You can hear. Have you heard of that?
You know, that's the perception you're trying to create.
Yes.
And
what I'm saying
I am not a believer.
All these complaints you are making against the press, all these complaints you're making against your ex-wife, and all complaints you are making against some other people and so on, there must be some kind of truth.
I did not make any complaint. Remember, I was answering to a motion that is before this House, and I attached the evidence to show that those issues or the matters cited in the motion are matters that have been discussed and determined in court.
Let me now move on to another area. You remember you heard that something had gone wrong in your ministry, in that what was produced as, well, probably let me put it this way, just to make things easier for you. When you heard that things had gone wrong in the ministry, you convened some meetings.
when I learned,
Yeah, that something had gone wrong in the ministry.
I did not hear of anything wrong
Yeah.
that has gone in the ministry.
That there was fake fertilizer. When you had it, there was fake fertilizer. Yeah, that had been sold and so on.
I did not convene any meeting.
You didn't convene any meeting?
Yes, I didn't say I convened any meeting.
Yeah. Did you take any steps in the matter?
What I want to put...
And just to answer my question,
when that matter came to us, was being in the farms with them. I took it upon myself to order for investigations.
yeah. Now, speak a bit loudly so that the honorable members can hear what you say. Would you be kind enough to tell the honorable members what you did after that? What steps you took?
What happened? We asked for investigations.
I mean yourself personally, you tell me what steps you took as a cabinet secretary.
Of course, when the matter arose, and
Who are you? I don't understand you. Excuse me. Please let me understand you. Who are you? I'm cross-examining. Who are you? Hello, would you go and sit down?
this is one of my lawyers.
No, this is not the work of a lawyer. Could you, excuse me, could you go and sit down, please? I'm cross-examining you. Could you go and sit down? We don't do things like that in a courtroom or registry at all. Now, could you tell
Senior Counsel, orders come from the chair. When you are here, you are representing your client. Just know that you are not here to instruct people and give orders. And we have given you a lot of respect, Senior Counsel.
may I ask you, or is it proper for you to stand there as a lawyer? It is not done anywhere.
Senior Counsel, yesterday,
You're the one presiding. Is it proper for a lawyer to stand by when I'm asking questions? Is this proper? With a book and so on? Is it proper? I mean, I want to learn something from you. I want to learn something from you. I'm always learning things.
I'm saying you have to raise any issue you want to raise through the chair.
Yes.
And it is the chair to order.
Yeah, well guided.
But it should not come from you.
Yeah, well guided. Thank you. Well guided. Yes. Now, would you be kind enough just to explain to the honorable members what steps you took, what you did when you came to learn that materials that have been furnished or supplied by way of fertilizers were substandard or were fake? What did you do? Just explain in detail.